So whatever version is there in your company, you can download that version.
Okay. So we'll go for 6.43.
Whatever version you like, sir. I am absolutely fine
Oh,
with it.
okay, sir.
I have no issues at all. So, but you'll have to download it on your virtual machine.
Oh, okay.
On your virtual machine. Just go for Apache Tomcat 6.0.43 download.
Okay.
So did you install Tomcat in your environment?
No.
Okay.
So we are using already existing one.
Existing one. That is what happens whenever you join a company. Only very very few lucky people get a chance to install WebLogic or
Yes.
Tomcat. When I started my career,
Alam.
after 2.5
Okay.
years, I got an opportunity to create a domain in WebLogic. You won't believe it.
Oh.
After 2.5 years. So it depends. Yeah, you don't have internet over here.
Yes. So I will copy it from my local
Yeah,
disk.
that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Directly type Apache Tomcat 6.0.43 download. Downloads. Yes. Go for tar.gz.
This one.
Yes. So scroll down and you can go for any of this. Okay.
Okay.
5.3 you started. Okay. That's fine. So Apache Tomcat is a very widely used web application server. Okay.
Okay.
Apache Tomcat is
Okay.
a web application server. I hope you know that.
Okay.
Okay, what do you mean by web application? Now what is the difference between application server like JBoss or WebLogic or WebSphere and Tomcat?
Like you want to say difference between application server and web server?
Not web server.
Okay.
Difference between Apache Tomcat and difference between an application server like WebLogic or JBoss.
Like we can't what do you call? We can say JSP and servlet. We can use Apache Tomcat. We can't install the web application.
We can install basically Tomcat is a web application server. So it supports JSPs and servlets. However, it does not support EJBs.
JBoss. That's
Okay,
correct.
EJBs means what? Enterprise Java Application.
Enterprise Java.
Okay,
Yes.
so when you say EJB, that means it hosts an enterprise application.
Yes.
Okay, when you say only servlets
Okay.
and JSPs, it is simply serving the web pages.
Web app. Yes.
Okay, now the next advantage of using Tomcat is it is the fastest starting application server ever.
Okay.
Okay, you take WebLogic, JBoss, WebSphere, any application server you take, Tomcat is the fastest starting application server. It starts in seconds.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, starts in seconds. So now JBoss have come up with their new version. You must be aware of that JBoss new version 6 EAP and 7 and
Yes.
all. Now JBoss
I believe so.
also has started have tried to improve the startup, and they have also tried to start JBoss very quickly, but unfortunately they couldn't match with the Tomcat, Apache Tomcat.
Okay.
Okay, Apache Tomcat, loads and initializes and boots up very quickly. Okay,
Okay.
it's very lightweight. widely used in industries, widely used in industries. Just for a simple
Okay.
reason, it's lightweight, can host web applications, easy to manage.
Okay.
Okay, you don't need any prerequisites to understand Apache Tomcat. You don't need any application knowledge or any kind of knowledge for handling Tomcat Apache.
Okay.
It's so easy to handle. Okay,
Okay.
now you see you have downloaded 6.0.53 you have downloaded, right?
Yes. Yes. We'll go ahead.
Yeah, so for this you need to open your putty first.
Okay.
So Apache Tomcat always comes in a archived format, like we saw tar.gz
Tab.
zip. Okay,
Yes.
you took training on WebSphere, right?
Yes.
Okay, in WebSphere you saw when we installed WebSphere, you must have got a GUI or so many interactive pages wherein you defined every stuff and then it got installed, right?
Yeah. Yes. Correct.
Similarly, in Tomcat you
Okay.
don't have to do anything.
Okay.
Okay, simply extract it and you are done. But the prerequisite
Before.
of Tomcat is that you need to have Java.
Okay. We need
Okay,
to set.
yeah, you need to have Java. So can you please maximize your terminal and show me the Java version over there?
Okay.
No, no, Java.
Version dot p, right?
No, no, Java space hyphen version. This is no Java space hyphen version. This is how we check the version.
No.
Okay, there is no Java command. That means you don't have Java. Now you'll have to install Java as well.
Okay.
Okay, so go for Java 1.5 or 1.6. Java 1.6 download. So now this prerequisite applies for your JBoss as well.
Okay.
Okay, for your JBoss as well. To now it's like that we for extracting we don't need Java, but you cannot
For
start
up.
your instance without Java.
Okay.
So which no, hold on. Don't just click. Simply don't click. Which is your architecture?
Okay. Linux
Go there.
32-bit only.
32-bit, right?
Yes.
So which one is that? Uname. No. Uname is the command to see the
Hyphen.
architecture. Uname space hyphen a is to see the architecture. Now it says
Yes.
i686 or
Yes.
i386, right? i386,
Yes.
i686. So you'll have to download that version. It makes a lot of difference when you
Okay.
install a different Java for your architecture.
Okay. Six.
Yeah, you can. I think we can take i586, i686, i5, i3. They have all I don't take
Okay.
rpm.bin, take .gz.
GZ.
.j.
Okay.
You can take JDK. You will have it in that only. .bin
This
.sh.
solar.
No, that is a Solaris Linux 86 Linux 66. Okay, take that bin.
Okay.
You'll have to accept. You took Solaris
No.
i586 x86 top one
No.
dot bin. No. That is Solaris x86. That is Solaris
No. It's
x86.
common.
Go back. That is Solaris x86. The second one.
CD7.
Second one. That is Linux
We go for
x64.
this.
86. 86, right? Yours
Okay.
is. You have to accept. You must accept the license.
Already accepted.
No, just decline and accept it again. The page is not refreshed actually. No, that's fine. Now select accept. Second one, x86.
I don't have account in
You
Oracle.
can create account. Hardly take 2 to 3 minutes. Oracle wants your details so that tomorrow if anything happens, he can drop you an email. Eight characters long it says. Give admin @123, the best password. Give your mobile number +91. No, +91 space and then how is the weather in Bangalore?
It's not cold. I can't say like it's cold. It's very hot.
It's
It's
very,
in the morning and evening time it's very cold. So in the
oh,
afternoon time, like as other cities only,
okay.
very hot.
In Mumbai
But
it's
like it's morning and evening.
very tough, man.
Okay.
We can't survive. So hot.
Even in the afternoon time, same only.
But
But
here
the thing is
after
like
for us morning, afternoon, evening, everything is same. No change.
everything is okay.
Postal code.
No, it's not taking. Excuse
Caps lock, your number lock must be off.
me. No, I don't have any. No, it's got hanged.
Oh, yes, your internet bandwidth has dropped if you see at the signal.
Yes,
Yeah, it's hang. Is this your company's laptop?
yes.
How did I make this? That's your company laptop.
Sorry.
How did I make it that it's your company laptop? How did I identify?
By seeing like Outlook, Skype
No,
logos.
no.
How come?
McAfee antivirus.
Okay.
All company uses McAfee.
McAfee, okay. It's done.
Check your email, it says. Check spam.
One sec. It's another one.
Yeah, social promotion is also there. Okay, this is another one.
Yes, yes. I logged into another one.
This many Gmail accounts you have?
Only three.
Only three. I have only two email IDs. One is Gmail, another one is
Oh,
my company's ID.
yes.
Just click on it. Verify email address. Now it will start your download.
Yes.
Continue.
Yes.
Have you ever installed Java before?
No.
Okay. So now this is the older version, right?
Yes.
6. So basically, the newer versions you don't have this sh file. That mostly will have similar way like you have Tomcat archived ball of your installer. You simply have to extract it.
Okay.
That's it. Now here, if you
Okay.
see, this is j.sh file. Sh file means it is a executable file.
Executable file. Yes.
Okay. So go to your terminal and let's install Java. Execute it.
Okay.
Now let's do everything by root. If you have root password, yeah,
Root only.
yeah,
I logged in as a root.
perfect. So it is a .sh file. So how will you run it? .bin file. Sorry. How will you do run it?
Yes. Dot slash.
Mhm. Perfect. .bin is run by this way. So you just have to see where it installs Java. When you install using this, it by default goes into
Okay.
your this path.
Okay.
So here itself it is going into JDK. If you see this,
Okay.
here itself it is going.
JD.
It basically it must go inside your USR Java directory.
Okay.
So that is the reason if you see in your company when you do a Java home, echo space dollar Java home, you will see that Java is always in the user Java directory
Yes.
most of the time.
Yes.
If because they try to install it in that directory.
Yes.
Now see space CD instead of that, is it installed? Go to the other terminal.
No. No, it's in progress.
Let it be. Let it be. So it is doing the same thing, inflating basically.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Now give Java space hyphen version over there. It will not take, I guess.
No.
Perfect. Why?
We haven't set the Java path, I hope.
Perfect. We have to set the part because had this gone into the default location, it would have taken that Java.
Yes.
Okay, now it is not into the default location. It is in our customized location. So we have to define the Java home path. Okay, you don't have to use
Okay.
slash. Okay, hold on. Go back, delete everything here.
Okay.
LSFNLRT.
Okay.
Okay, now there is a directory created JDK 1.6. Go inside that.
One sec.
It's the same thing. You are in the same locations. It will not give you different results.
Okay. Where it got created default location the US slash.
Default location depends. It's USS/Java, or nowadays
Okay.
they /etc/alternatives. The newer versions have Java in /etc/alternatives. You don't have Java over here.
Yes.
Otherwise, it would have given you Java. Okay, you have to set the path for Java now that you have installed.
Okay.
So how will you do that?
So I'm not sure about that.
So you could have given cd space hyphen. It would have brought you back to the old working directory.
Yes. So right now I'm on root.
Yes. So you have to go to your desktop directory, right? Your this thing is in desktop.
Yes.
Very, very, very bad habit. You have your terminal. No, no, don't do this. Go to that terminal. Go to that terminal.
Okay.
Very bad habit. You have your terminal. You have your mouse. You have all the rights to use your keyboards. So instead of doing cd and doing it blindly, better do a
Okay.
ls command or lsfnlt command or ll command to see where you are and what directory you have. This is the basic
Okay.
to go into any directory. Now where will you go?
Home.
Yes. No, no, not. It's not in home. It's not in home. You'll have to go to cd root. Go back. You're doing lsfnl cd dot dot slash, because this is the home directory of your Suresh user. You
Yes.
have to go to the home directory of your root user. Home directory of root user is cd/root. Enter. Now do ls here. You will see something over here.
Yes.
Can you see? Please don't work blindly. Always use the basic way to navigate through directory, because this, if you have this habit, don't mind it, Suresh. If you have this habit of using
No. No problem.
blindly doing this thing, you will be in a trouble, because when there are issues,
Okay.
you have to act very quickly. You know that very
Okay.
well, right? So
Got it.
better
Got it.
use the commands we know. We don't know where we are. Consider ourselves as always consider ourselves as fresher, unless and until you are
Okay.
working in that organization or that in that particular setup for 10 years.
Okay.
Consider yourself as fresher. Use the ls command effectively. Find the directory, go inside it. No one is going to laugh at
Sure.
us if you are going ls, don't know the path. No, no, no one is going to do that. What matters is
Okay.
how quickly you can go and resolve the issue. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to this cd jdk 45. What is that?
This one is it?
Yes. No, 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 no. The directory it created, right? Java. We installed it, right? We run that bin file. Now it has
Yes.
created a Java directory over there. Can you see? JDK 1.6 45.
Yes. Sir.
So
Yes.
this
Yes.
is the directory it got created. You copied the bin directory. You can do up arrow and remove that up to.
Yes.
Okay. Go to bin directory, cd bin, and copy that path. pwd and copy that path. Now how will you set the Java home path or the
Okay.
Java bin path? This is always done in a real-time environment. Java is always set in the user's path, because your system Java
Okay.
is different, and we always install our Java that is needed for our application.
Okay.
Okay, so how do we do that?
No idea.
Any idea?
No.
No. So
No.
do cd enter. Every user's home directory has a, if it is a Red Hat system, has a dot bash underscore profile or dot bash underscore rc, dot bash rc.
Okay.
So this is a Red Hat system. We will be having dot bash underscore profile. This is the profile file for your user, any user that you want to set the path for. So in our case, we are
Okay.
not using a functional user for Tomcat. We are using a root itself, right? So
Okay.
for us, root is a functional user for Tomcat.
Correct.
Getting it? Any questions and doubts?
No.
Okay. So now we have to set
Clear.
the path. Okay. So can you do give a command ls hyphen lart? Why lart?
It's
Because
like recent
a,
modification.
no, a will show you the hidden files. Anything that starts with a dot in Linux or Unix is considered as a hidden file.
Okay.
Anything that starts with a dot is considered as
Okay.
a hidden file.
Hidden
Okay.
file.
Now we have to go inside that bash underscore profile file, right? So that bash underscore profile file, what is the extension it starts with? It starts with dot bash underscore
Dot.
profile, third file.
Okay.
So that
Yes.
dot bash underscore profile is a hidden file. So whenever
Okay.
you give a argument hyphen a along with ls, it will show you the hidden files.
Hidden file. Okay.
Clear? So the
Clear.
command that we gave was ls hyphen lart. L is for
Okay.
long listing, A is for hidden files, R is recursive, and the latest timestamps. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the reason you are seeing both hidden files as well as the normal files and directories.
Okay.
Clear? So now you have to go inside this hidden file. Okay. And
Okay.
set the path over there in that dot
Yes.
bash underscore profile.
Okay.
It is a file.
Yes.
So if you see, it has shown the path. Okay. Now
Yes.
the reason why we were not able to execute the Java command was because there is no Java in this path.
Path.
Okay.
Yes. Correct.
But to set the path before, we
We
have to
need to.
set the Java home directory. Okay.
Okay.
So after that fi, go there. After
Okay.
that fi, okay,
Okay.
get the aliases if and fi. Can you see that fi?
Here only, no?
That is if. I said fi.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Just below this, you have to insert and give a variable or define a variable called as Java underscore home after fi.
Okay.
Bring your
Okay.
cursor to fi. Bring your cursor to fi. This is Linux. This will not bring your cursor. You
One
will
sec.
have to use
One sec.
down
One
arrow.
sec.
Where is your cursor? Bring your cursor. Okay.
Okay.
Here, yeah. Instead of inserting directly, you could have after fi, if your cursor was there, you could have directly pressed o will take you to the next line and in insert mode.
Okay.
Okay. So now
Sure.
here you have to give Java underscore home, no, Java underscore home is equal to, paste the part that you copied, slash root slash, yeah, take it from the other, no, take it from the other terminal, and you don't have to open terminal this way. Okay, I'll show you the simple way.
Okay.
Now give here alt
Okay.
shift tab, alt shift
One sec.
tab.
Let me take the Java path.
Yes, cd jdk pwd, copy this, paste it. Okay, now is this the right Java home directory?
Yes.
No.
User desktop.
Just make a note of it. Any home directory, any home directory. Okay, that home directory
Okay.
can be of anything. Will never
Okay.
point to a bin directory. Bin is a binary directory. Okay, so
Okay.
remove
Okay.
it, remove it, slash as well, enter, export,
Okay.
export space Java underscore home,
Okay.
export space Java underscore home. Now what we are saying, we are saying this is the Java home and export Java
Okay.
home, so that whenever my user logs in, every time he does not have to export. It is by default set. Okay. Now
Okay.
come to the path. Path is equal to, can you see that path is equal to,
Yes.
yes, equal to, no, equal to, path is equal to, I
Okay.
said path is equal to. Okay. Now how this bash profile is read. Okay. Now let's say if you want to define something in bash profile, always ensure
Mhm.
that bash profile is like first come first serve. Whatever comes first, it
Okay.
will read that. Whatever comes second, it will
Okay.
read second. Okay,
Okay.
so I want my bash profile to read my Java path first. Okay, so what I will do, I have already defined Java home on the top, right?
Yes.
And I have exported also.
Yes.
So what I will do over here is I
Yes.
will give dollar Java underscore home, write down
Okay.
dollar Java, because that is a variable, right? So if I have to define it in a path, I'll have to give it this way, Java underscore home
Okay.
slash bin, slash is forward slash in Unix, bin
Okay.
colon, that's it. So I said
Okay.
path is equal to dollar Java home, that is my path JDK 1455, and bin is binary where I can execute my Java commands,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
right? Where I can execute
Okay.
my Java commands. So you have to just save and exit. Now below it says export path. So whatever I have written on the top will be exported.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Okay. Okay.
WQ.
Yes.
Okay. Now you have,
Yes.
okay. Now again a very bad habit. After you define anything in a file, if you want to check it,
Mm-hmm.
never do a VI again. Always use a VI whenever you want to
Okay.
edit a file. Otherwise don't use VI. It is very, very, very dangerous.
Okay.
Okay, if you
Got
want
it.
to view the
Thank you.
file, if you want to view the file, either use less command or view command,
Okay.
VIEW. View command will
Okay.
open your file in VI mode, but it is not editable, it is only read
Readable.
only.
Readable. Yes. Got it.
Got it? So now here
Got it.
we have checked and your bash profile file seems to be correct. So the next step after
Okay.
that is to what?
Verify the
No,
verify
is
the
to,
Java.
no, is
What?
to, yeah, try to verify the Java now. See if you are able to verify it from wherever, not from here, not the, you are in the Java bin path,
Okay.
not from this path. Go to back, go back. You are in Java bin path, so it might give you Java command.
Okay. Can I hear?
Yeah, here you can give
Okay. No.
no command because you have only made the changes. For the changes to reflect in any dot bash rc or dot bash profile, any profile file, you need to source those changes. Okay,
Okay.
source the change. So the command is source, source, source
Okay.
space the profile file name, whatever it is. In our case it is dot bash underscore profile.
Okay. So anywhere we can run this command or
No, not
specified path.
anywhere. You have to be in that dot bash profile path, right?
Yes.
So you are in that path itself.
Yes, correct. No, it's not.
It is the same path. The only thing is that you have given wrong command. Are you writing what I am saying?
This one. Okay.
To see the hidden file, you have to add -a as well. Along with LRT, you will have to add a.
Yes.
Now can you see all those files?
Yes. I could see.
So are you in the right location?
Yes.
Yes. Now source the changes.
Source.
Dot bash underscore profile. BASH. BASH.
That's it.
That's it. Perfect. Now can you give the Java command again? Not from here, I said.
No, it's different path.
How it is different path? It is in Java bin path. This is different path.
Yes.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Right? Now, if you want to see what it is, you can give the command echo space dollar path. Echo, ECHO, echo space dollar path. Path is a variable. It will always be in
Very
capital.
good. Yes.
Can you see your Java bin path over there?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes. Clear.
Any questions, any doubts?
No.
Perfect. So this is how you set the path, and this is exactly how we do in real-time environments. I'm surprised that you did not get
Okay.
an opportunity to do this,
No.
because this is how we set path in any damn organization in the world. All over the world, this is the
Okay.
practice that is followed. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now what you have to do is, you have installed Java now. Next is to
Yes.
extract the Tomcat.
Okay.
Don't do it from here. Do everything from
Terminal.
command line.
Okay.
You close the terminal, you had to open, right?
No.
Then why you're opening
Here
so
only.
many? So many you are opening. No need to open these many terminals. Oh,
Okay.
close this one also. Close this one also. Okay, now here type Control Shift T. Press Control Shift T.
Okay.
Got new terminal.
Yes.
So instead of opening 110 terminals, you can open 110 terminals over here
Okay.
when you are using terminal, not putty.
Okay.
Okay. In putty, this is not possible. You have to go for duplicate
Yes.
commands, duplicate
Okay.
terminal.
Session.
Okay. Yeah, session. So here now you have to extract the
Okay.
path for your Tomcat archive. So how will you do that?
We'll go for the desktop where the file is located, and we'll extract over there.
Okay. So can you please do that?
Sure. Yes.
Please make a habit of using LRT. not only L, because this will help you
Okay.
when you are working in real-time environments. When you give a -LRT, the modified files are always at the bottom, files or directories.
Bottom.
Yes.
Yes.
So it becomes easy for us to get into something. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the
Okay.
file. So how will you extract it?
Unzip.
Mhm. What is the command to extract this file now? Or shall we take this to some other directory, or will extract it here only?
Yes, we can. We'll create one directory and we will.
I mean, inside user local. No, let it. We will do it here only. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me the command.
Unzip file name.
This is not .zip. This is .gz. You will use
Z.
unzip command if the extension is .zip.
Zip. Okay.
This is .gz. So the command is tar, TAR, space hyphen Z, because it is the .gz extension, hyphen Z, X, X. Did I say space?
No.
In Linux, you must never give space. Z, X, V, F, space, the file name. Tab. Okay. Z, because it is .gz extension. X will extract. V for
Oh,
verbose, it
yes.
will show you the output. F is forcefully.
Okay.
LSFNLRT. That's fine. It's installed. You don't have to look at it because this is what will be inside the Apache directory. So now it has
Yes.
created a
Yes.
directory Apache Tomcat 6053.
Yes.
Go inside it. Enter ls-lrt.
Yes.
Perfect. So what we have done today is we have installed Java, set the Java path, and installed Tomcat.
Tomcat. Yes.
Okay, these three things we have done: install Java, set the Java path, and install Tomcat. Okay,
Yes.
so we'll stop here for the day. We'll again start tomorrow. Very important, before learning any topic, you must understand the directory structures. If you don't understand the directory
Correct.
structures, it will be difficult for you to
We
work
can't.
in that particular product, right?
Yes.
So tomorrow when we
Correct.
start, we will first start at looking at the directory structures and looking at the files, the
Okay.
important files, what it is and what it has, and then we will go with starting and stopping of the service.
Sure. Sure.
Okay, can you go inside bin once?
Yes.
Okay, fine, cool. Thank you so much. So we'll meet tomorrow same
Okay.
time, 8 o'clock, and we'll proceed further. Okay.
Sure. Sure. Thank you.
So are you getting what I'm trying to explain and all those things? If you have any questions whatsoever, Suresh, please ask me,
Sure. Definitely.
because I
I'm
don't
getting.
know if I'm
Don't
going
have.
too fast. I'm going because I know
I will.
sometimes I go fast. I know that that's my mistake.
I will let. I will let you know, and I will stop if you are
Definitely.
going fast,
Sure,
and I
sure.
will.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you so much. Okay. So
Thank you
we'll
so much.
meet tomorrow
Yep.
and continue further.
Definitely.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, then have a
Bye.
good day, Suresh.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you.
Bye. And I'll
Bye.
be
Bye.
sharing this video with Vasu, and Vasu will share it with you.
Sure. Sure.
Okay. All right. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.